Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, I will show you a game between Reti and Fischer. This awesome chess game was played in Vienna in 1923. Reti started with knight to f3. Fischer played knight to f6, c4, English opening, maybe, e6, g3, d5, bishop to g2, c6, b3, double fianchetto. Knight from b to d7, bishop to b2, bishop to e7, and both players castled kingside. d3, b6, intending bishop to b7, knight from b to d2, bishop to b7, rook to c1, placing the rook on file that will open, maybe. Rook to c8, rook to c2, c5, queen to a1, very interesting idea. Bishop to d6, c takes on d5, e takes on d5, knight to h4, rook to e8, attacking the pawn on e2. How would you defend the pawn on e2? Reti played knight to f5, attacking the bishop on d6, following the rule that attack is the best defense. Bishop to f8, white to move, and now Reti played another little surprise. Knight to c4, offering a knight for free. Not really, it wasn't really for free. If d takes on c4, bishop takes on b7. So we have queen to c7, knight from c to e3, queen to b8, and now bishop takes on f6. Knight takes on f6. Why did Reti exchange his dark square bishop? What was the idea behind the move? Can you guess? What would you do now? Reti played knight to h6. What a clever move. Check. G takes on h6. If king goes to h8, the knight takes on f7 check. So we have g takes on h6, queen takes on f6. The pawn structure around black king is damaged, but it's still not too easy to attack black king because black has a dark square bishop. The game continued. d4, bishop takes on b7, queen takes on b7, knight to f5, threatening knight takes on h6, rook to c6, attacking the queen and defending the pawn on h6, queen to h4, rook to g6, e4, b5, if d takes on e3, f takes on e3, and this opens the file for the white rook. b5, queen to f4, queen to d7. Black king is defended quite well, but now Reti came up with an amazing and deep plan. Let's see what the plan is. First move, rook to a1, rook to c8, a4, rook to a6, rook from a to c1, b takes on a4, b takes on a4, rook takes on a4. On the surface, it looks like that black is doing well. Black has an extra pawn, a passed pawn, but you will be amazed how deep Reti's thinking was. With this pawn sacrifice, he dragged black rooks away from defending the king. What exactly did Reti have in mind when he aimed for this position? Please pause and find the best move for white. Reti played rook takes on c5. Did you find this move? If you did, congratulations. Rook takes on c5, and now queen to g4 check. King to h8. If bishop goes to g7, then queen takes on g7 checkmate. So we have king to h8. Rook takes on c5, rook to b4. If bishop takes on c5, queen to g7 checkmate. So we have rook to b4, rook to d5 attacking the queen, queen to c8, queen to h4, eyeing f6 square, queen to c1 check, king to g2, rook to b1. Who is going to be fast? Rook to d8, pinning the bishop, queen to f1 check, king to f3, queen takes pawn on d3 check, king to f4, queen to d2 check. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is king to g4. Fischer resigned. One line goes like this: queen to d1 check, f3, and what now? Black is lost. If king goes to g8, then rook takes bishop check, and after king takes rook, queen to d8, checkmate. What a brilliant plan and attack by Richard Reti. Is the game less beautiful if I say that player with the black pieces is not Bobby Fischer? Player with the black pieces was Felix Fischer. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.